Hola, ni hao, konnichiwa, annyeong, mabuhay. This is Angelic and you're watching my YouTube vlog at Hong Kong Disneyland. Day 3! We're going to Disney. Ito outfit ko. Naka-dressed. Hi, brother. I'm very excited. Late na kami, 9. Ang usapan is 8. Tapos nag-adjust ang 8:30. Ngayon, 9 na. Okay lang. 10 pa naman bukas ng Disney. Ng park. So, okay. Ito yung ating OOTD. Naka-ano ako? Sneakers lang. Actually. So, later ulit. Excited na ako. Wow! We're going to Disneyland. Ma, cellphone naman ang cellphone. Oh.
Hello. Good morning, mga ka-vloggers.
Ka-vloggers. Babalik ko.
Wala ka.
Gusto niyo bang magantay ulit?
Wala na. Round trip na. Round trip tayo para makapag-picture.
Ano?
Ganun din eh.
Mamaya, round trip tayo.
Ayaw patalo eh.
Round trip.
Lolo.
Mamaya naman, hindi mo mai-enjoy. Mag-round trip na lang.
Paano round trip?
Babalik din to. Babalik ba yun? Isang station lang. Isang station lang.
Tapos,
Picture-picture.
hindi pa bumaba.
Oo.
Okay. Dito tayo.
Oo.
Yung mga picture mo ako dito dali.
Yun si ate.
Straight lang dito. 1, 6, 8. Wait lang.
Smile muna, smile. Smile, 1, 2, 3. Sama, 1, 2, 3. Screenshot ko na lang yan. Oo, sige. Hindi, sige, labas. Loko. Ate. Ate. Hi.
Parang pakanta ka ganito. Kailangan na.
Hindi. Wag. Mas maganda yung ganyan. Ay, hindi ko nadala yung sunscreen ko. Ano ba yan? Ewan na nga. Let's go! Tara, dito.
Nara ka.
Ayun yung bata, oh. Ang laki, walang stroller.
Anak ko to eh.
Best in costume.
Tingnan mo anak ko, dami nila ko.
Halika tayo, picture ang kita.
Halika.
Ana.
Yan, picture dyan. Ganun.
Ay, Ana.
Sa'yo, picture mo.
Sa'yo, halika. Sa'yo, halika na. Smile, 1, 2, 3. Sige, nakangiti. Yan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, smile. Sa bawat. Oo. 1, 3, smile. Yan, isa pa. Wow! Wait lang. Bakit ganyan? 1, 2, 3. Bakla. O, go na. Te! Lion! Yung ganun kami lahat. Isa pa? Yung ganyan lahat to.
Ano ba yun? Tara na.
Okay.
Maging artista.
Tara. Uy, ako solo. Sayang naman yung kabini ko.
Kasama si
Portrait. Gusto mo?
Oo, kahit ano.
Kala ko yung baka nakasama yun.
Sino?
Yung skin mo ah.
Ha?
Skin care mo. Maganda na yung ano yan, skin care.
Siyempre.
Namin Claude eh. Claude.
Claude. Yung damit ko dati. Moisturizer ko to yung maganda.
Ano?
Fish gel. Yun yung binili ko sa ano, Hong Kong. Yung sa Lungfung. Kasi doon lang ako na...
Ano ba? Ano ba yung price?
300. Dalawa.
Mahal naman nun.
HKT.
Oo. 380 dalawa. Pero malaki.
Mahal na.
Naghanap kasi talaga ako ng magandang moisturizer. Bakit? Ate, tawag ka. Masaya kaya magtrabaho dito?
Ano mo kaya na?
Ate, masaya ako sa work.
Marami rin ang Pilipino dito.
Kaso parang yung karamihan din, parang dapat marunong kang kumanta. So,
Oo,
kaya...
yung friend ko, nagpunta sila dito. Yung una na panood ko. Hi.
For three, for free. Okay, all together, look at the camera here. Okay.
Thank you so much. Talagang kumiti ginawang selfie eh.
Wala tayong maps.
Oo,
Yung ano, app.
Ganyan kaya pinig.
Dati nakagubatan.
Masakit sa paa eh. Oh, pambang siyang shoes. Shoes. Shoes.
ang side siya. Ito tayo. Tapos nandito siya.
Oh, medyo dulo.
Oo.
Or pwede rin namang ano kayo, gusto niya agad yon or
Pwede,
kung ano yung...
pag ganun tayo.
Ah, okay, sige, sige.
World of Pro. Ikaw na bahala sa maps ha.
Ay, papwesto mamaya. Yun agad eh, no?
Hanap tayo ng
Okay.
Wow, Martis. Martis? May binibig ng chichirya. Parang gusto ko mamaya tumingin, mga souvenir.
Sige.
Oh, Sayon, tuwang-tuwa ka, no? Baba ka, Sayon, dali. Diyak ko, Sayon, no? Yung castle! Tara, tara! Ang ganda! Ang cute ng bahay!
Angel, alam mo yung famous sa Turkey Lake?
Oo.
Ito ba yun?
Oo. Ang laki. Ang laki. Magkano? 160.
Bunat mo yun.
Parang sakit, no? Wow, may nag-ano. Sana all. Field trip. Oo. First ride.
Ate, tayo. Hi, hi, hi.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vessel during your entire mission. Keep restraints securely fastened and watch your young pilots. 为确保安全，执行任务期间请坐好，将胳膊。
So hi guys, quick story lang bago nyo makita yung pinaka-reaction namin sa ride na to. So this is our first ride. So we didn't expect anything. Lalo na ako, hindi ako yung may hawak ng map. So ang kuya ko yung naghahawak. So talagang wala, ever. Hindi ko rin sinerch sa TikTok o sa social media anong klaseng ride to. So talagang expect what, expect the unexpected. So, hanggang ngayon, pag trace ba ko yung kung paano kami nag-react. Talagang hindi ko alam kung matatawa ba ako or what. But, yeah, panoorin nyo na lang kung paano yung reaction namin sa ride na to. Sa part na to, masaya-saya pa ako kasi, uy, nagkaila uli, nakita uli ako sa camera. Ayan, may lights uli, ganyan. Tuwa-tuwa pa ako, ganyan. Sabi ko, mukhang chill lang naman kasi chill ito eh, chill tong yan. Dinadaan namin yan, chill lang, chill lang. Tapos, sa part na to, hindi ko alam kung hindi ko na mailabas yung sigaw ko. Talagang nawawala na. Kasi, alam mo yung sobrang bilis. Pabilis siya ng pabilis. Tapos inaalog ka pa. Nakakaloka talaga. Pero guys, spoiler alert, nakadalawang balik kami dyan sa ride na yan. Kasi, in fairness, okay naman pala siya. Nabigla lang talaga kami for our first ride. Pero okay din siya. And for someone who love extreme rides, the best.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Uy, first ride pa lang, bakit ganon?
Please remain seated until your vessel comes to a complete
Grabe yung first ride nyo!
Exit to your left.
请大家在座位上坐好，等侦察舰完全停稳，然后带起随身
Wait lang na.
你的左侧离开。
Saan yung left? Ay, ito. Hindi ko na alam yung left.
Ano ko tagagapang ata?
Ang grabe!
Niloko ka.
Yan na lang ang bilis.
Thank you, be. Hinawakan ko ngayon bag ko kasi akala ko matatalsik.
Ang hirap kasi hindi mo nakikita.
Oo, ang dili. Ay, grabe!
Nahilak.
Wait lang, picture mo. First ride pa lang, iyak na. Bakit? Bakit?
Ayan.
Hindi pala siya pang kid friendly, lalo na ako matatakotin. Unang ride pa lang, iyak na. Naka-rides, pero umiyak. Kasi nga natakot.
Buti nagkasabay-sabay kayo.
Ha?
Baka na-shock.
Nashock siguro siya. Nasaan kaya?
Ayan, pasok kayo to.
Ito!
Picture mo.
Bakit ganon?
Yung white fan lang.
Hello. Ito.
Wait lang, hanapin natin.
Ayokong pangit ko, ikaw na lang.
Ito! Ito! Uy, gagi kawawa si Sayo. Si Mama. Second ride. Ant-Man. Wasp. Hi, Ma. Ant-Man ride. Enjoy, pero nakanganga ka sa ride. Ayan. Hi. Safe yan. Hi! Kuya, ate guy. Hello. Si Kuya Fred, papuntahin mo na dito.
Nasa ko.
Ayun na siya.
20 out there, you got thousands.
Yeah, well, mine are bigger.
No, not necessarily. When I shrink, proportionally.
真史達先生對付嘅機械人真係大啊！
Oh, Leslie, give me a break.
I should explain them.
Let me know when you two are done preparing contacts. We still have work to do. 各位戰親節不同，我哋一齊幫佢哋。只要用流心槍擊中機械人，呢啲個
Yung alam mo yung video natin, puro sigaw. Ang dilim eh.
呢隻係第三。
Oo.
Yung expect.
Which is okay. Kasi di mo in-expect. Oo, pero may hilok after.
Intel shows Zola is
安全覺得冇錯，大家快啲拎起密速槍，瞄準機械蟲嘅弱點，全力出擊。
In the shirt, at the weak spot, but not enough.
Ako ba?
立即進軍數據核心。用密速槍瞄準機械蟲嘅弱點出擊，大家一齊打埋。
So for our second ride, ito chill na talaga to. Totoong chill na talaga. So parang roller coaster na yung emotion namin from grabing emotion to ito chill lang syempre. Matapos yung parang medyo trauma, dito tayo sa chill lang. Baril-baril, ganyan, laser. Ito talaga yung kid-friendly na ride. Ano, baril-baril lang, ganyan. I-aim mo lang yung mga target. Siguro mga ano lang din to, 1 minute to 3 minutes na ride, which is actually good naman, especially for kids.
Ganda, very relaxing lang. Relaxing? Yeah.
Elsa na tayo?
Go! Zion, how was it? Good? Nice? Kumalma na siya. Kumalma na. Ganun pala dapat. Dapat extreme, kalma. Ikaw, sabi mo anak ko, tapos hindi mo bibilihan.
Iron Man?
Thank you.
Iron?
Si Iron Man, pakita mo, dali. Paano? Ganun? Wow, tayo yung tatalon, dali. Wow, Iron Man! Oo, yung tatasin mo na. Dali. Wow!
Let's go. Go, Iron Man na.
Third ride, Iron Man!
Ayun, ito. Sayang. Oh, welcome. Ayun, kasi.
Wow! Sino nagturo sa kanya noon?
Video ako.
Wow!
So this ride naman is 3D, so nakasuot kami ng glasses dito, then may papanoorin, and then, ayun, ang nakakatuwa dito, dyan sa pilahan na yan, yung nakikita nyo sa background, is interactive rin siya, para ka lang nasa museum habang nag-iintay ng turn mo to the ride, which is actually nice, hindi ka mabubore habang nag-iintay, although, parang ang dami mong iikutin, ayan, ang dami mong iikutin, para lang makapunta doon sa mismong sakayan na ng rides. Yun.
Mr. Stark took his father's original idea, combined it with the revolver technology to allow Iron Man's armor to fly, and adapted that technology into today's Iron Wing. Miss Wong,
Ayun o.
Oh, dali, dali, dali. Dali, dali, lahat tayo. Go, go, go. Ate, dito. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sorry. Thank you. Tara. Ayun dito.
Building is run by the largest arc reactor I've ever built and generates enough excess energy to power 20 more star towers. And this is just the beginning. Can you imagine no longer needing coal, oil, or nuclear power to run our cities? That's practically all I think about when I'm not thinking about dim sum. Hong Kong Stark Tower is a symbol of our company's obsessive dedication to providing clean energy.
Ah, baka ganito lang yung ride niya. Ride na ba? No? Ride?
Parang dito pa lang nag-ride na.
Oo nga eh. Baka ito na yun. Akala ko ito yung ride. Meron nga, meron nga.
保持安全裝置緊扣，並看管好同行嘅小朋友。坐好之後，可以戴起你嘅史達全線智能眼鏡。
Gusto nyo dito? Ako gitna.
Yes, teacher. Yes. Are you ready? Yes.
Travis XO8, you are cleared for takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程啟動燃反應能源器，
Stand by, the launch door has
發
malfunctioned.
射門棘住咗，發射集中激光炮。打爛咗道門，唔好意思。 唔該晒史達先生，飛行穩定器恢復正常。
This is not part of the tour.
如果燃反應能源器俾 Hydra 搶走，
I know, Hydra can't get the Arc robots destroyed.
史達先生小心。
I am really... Go, go, go!
Watch out!
我哋需要增強火力。
More firepower? I'm going rapid.
Nice! Yun o. Kuya! Ang bango. Ano yung naamoy kong mabango, no? Kuya, Ate Kai! Zion! We are going for our 4th ride.
Mukha na yun.
Oo.
Mukha na tayo.
Chinese version.
Coconut carrots? They're kind of cute.
可能稍微长一些，但是每个
Our 4th ride!
一样。祝您森林河流之旅愉快，請各位當前有可能被推薦是
Zion, tara!
歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流。
Yun o. Sa likod daw po. Likod ko yan o. Tayo?
Kami. Kayo ba may gusto kayo?
the best seat for the best VIP seat. That's the best seat. The middle, please, and no more change your seat again. And if you don't mind, also can sit the gray area. The first exit. We have some emergency here. I don't know. 5 safety and 10 romantic nights. Then on safety, please remain seated so the children keep your whole body inside the boat and also watch your children. Okay, let's see our right hand side first. Anyone knows where to sit?
Tarzan?
Yeah, it's Tarzan tree house. No one go there today, right?
No.
Yes, because he's going to travel now, not at home. Also sad, right? Someday he's come back, you can try swim by the raft over there. And don't try to swim over there. And there are so many to them. And the mother teaches her baby how to try so cute, right? But he's still little, so you won't get wet. Okay, let's see another side. There's on the elephant, take a shower. Be careful, right hand side before you even get wet. So many wet clothes. So don't forget to use the body lotion, okay? Oh, who's that? Is that a rock? No, it's Daddy elephant you want to play with. Okay guys, it's time to get wet. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's get wet! Now, where are we now? I don't know. This is medical temple. What you see? What's that?
Oh!
A big spider. It is toxic, so don't touch it, okay?
Yeah.
Go to also toxic too, don't bite it, okay? And short terms, BS, BC spider, always on the web. Here's the crocodiles. They call it breakfast, tea, lunch, and dinner. You're kind of so yummy. They're so hungry now, huh? Alright, here's the campsite here. But where is the scientist? Where is the scientist? Why so many gorillas here? And they're so cute. Okay, here was that. Oh no, somebody's holding the gun! Don't shoot us again! No! It's dangerous here. I gotta go. Bye, have a good day. Bye. Most aggressive animal, the African elephant. If you ask me, yes, this is the most one, the wife.
The what?
Not your wife.
The what?
They're terrible. Do you know that? Yes, scientists. One is my friend, also a skipper. Yeah. Hey guys, do you need help? Oh, they need it. Anyone want to save their life? I need 5 volunteers. Just 5. No? Not really. Okay. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. No. Get down, be careful! Put in your hand! I'm so sorry, guys. We have reject. And no one get hurt. No one get hurt. Also, your hat still here, right? Your lovely hat still here. Yes. Yes, okay. Wait, no escape now. What should I do?
And the baby elephant.
Baby elephant. And little kids know how to trust now. And so the kid is so smart. Okay, let's say bye to your baby elephant now. Bye. Okay, before you go back to the please bring me seated. Bye, baby elephant. And see you next time. Bye. Okay, that's enough fun trip. Did you guys enjoy it? Yes? Okay, thank you so much. If you enjoyed it, please remember my name. My name is Irene. If don't, just forget me. Okay, remember, let's not complete. You can use the door at the back and the middle door also.